Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to invite a friend on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Melbet, and let's get into this first link over here. Now we need to click on this profile icon on the top right. Now if we scroll down over here under orders, we can see this invite friends option. So let's tap on that. Now here we need to agree to the terms and conditions. That is, when we invite our friend, they register and deposit fund and you will receive the rewards. So for that we need to simply click on take part over here and click on fill in the details here. Once you are done filling up all of the details, simply click on save and we need to follow this steps for the verification. Once you are done with all of these steps, we need to simply click on take part and send this link to your friend. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.